Afia from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, my question is, I know that Allah does not punish as a person for the same sin twice. But for example, if someone murders a believer and a victim's family chooses to forgive him, will Allah also forgive him, or he will be held accountable on the day of judgment for that sin?
Okay.
Jazakumullahu khairan.
So Afia from India says, we know that Allah is more generous than to punish a person twice for his sin. So we know that if a person was punished for his sin through a prescribed punishment in this life, Allah Azza wa Jal would not punish him on the day of judgment. So if I slander someone and that person takes me to court and the court flogs me 80 lashes, we're done, we're even. On the day of judgment, I'm not going to be punished for that. But if he does not take me to court, or he doesn't know that I had slandered him, on the day of judgment, Allah will punish me for what I had done. So likewise, if a person kills and murders another, we know that there are three things for the heirs of the deceased, of the victim, to choose from. One is an eye for an eye. They choose the execution of the murderer. Two, blood money. So they agree to take the blood money, which is the value of 100 camels, and let him go. Three, to forgive him for the sake of Allah. So now the question is, if the heirs forgave the murderer for the sake of Allah, will Allah punish him on the day of judgment? The answer is no. And the reason is because one of three choices is given to the heirs of the victim, and they chose to forgive, so Allah Azza wa Jal would forgive him as well, and Allah knows best.